Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Yabona guys, lento yoba what peace, happiness yendoda, peace yendoda. All of those things that they tell us yendoda, you must be his peace, you must be his safety play. All of those things, guys. Hey, uzofana loco. Guys, imagine yesterday, Musa on the latest episode of Uthando Nesithembu, Musa, when he comes back from the dinner with the ladies, right, he drops off uMatsele because Vele he was driving noMatsele, guys. And then he drives to Mzumbe because he's rushing for uMangwabe to make sure that uMangwabe is not packing her things. Fine. He gets kwaMangwabe, amkote. When he's done there, he goes kwaMayemi and he realizes that uMayemi, she did not come home, guys. She decided to go back to her parents' place. Remember, we know uMayeni, she's no longer staying in Mzumbe. uMayeni ufuna ukushawa umoya, guys. She wants a break, you guys. And then when he's done, when he gets to uMayeni, he notices Uguti, she's not there. He tries calling her. Her phone is off. And then he leaves a message to say, Uguti, how girl, bengcabanga ukuthi uzobuyela lana ini and whatnot. When he's done there, angithi usuku lukaMatsele. He then says ukuthi ayike sengiyagoduka mina sengiya eSea Park. uThobile ngiyamazi ukuthi akanankinga, so I'm going back home. Guys, I was so disappointed, and I'm like, the only reason why he did not check up on uThobile was because she's the understanding one, because she probably doesn't have a problem with the meeting that they had. She's probably fine. I'm like, no, man, that thing, guys, it's not right. Even though she did not have a problem, guys, he was already Mzumbe. Why couldn't he just go in or go and drive kwaThobile and just to say, Wuti, vele bin sendaweni, or I was around here. I'm just here to say thank you, my wife, for being supportive. Thank you for being my safety place or whatnot. Thank you for not giving me stress. He decided to drive all the way straight to Sea Park. And I'm like, yayibona lento. And this is the thing that I kept saying in previous season that I don't like about uThobile. uThobile, guys, I feel like she serves this man too much. And maybe that is her thing, but I just feel like she does it so much to a point that he's comfortable now. No one must ever be comfortable to a point where they can't check up on you just because they know when are you the one, when are you the strong one, when are you don't need to get checked up on. No, she needs her man as well. In the midst of and you can see uThobile, guys, right. Even Umbali was saying on the table, Thobile wathula ngaba, alright. And then Musa even commented and he was like, hey, uthule namhlanje. So why did he not go and check up on her or call her again to say, Uti, hey, ngikubone, you are not your usual self, you're quiet, or you're fine, or something like that. Yay, guys, I'm a daughter. uThobile, I'm gonna need her to tone down this lento yakhe yokuseva kancane, because in a marriage, guys, and in a relationship, it must be two ways. I must serve you, you must serve me. So I just feel like it's a one-way type of thing where she serves. Hi, Tyler. And I've said, Wuti, if she's not careful about this thing, I feel like she's going to lose herself and she's going to be envious. Wuti abantu don't appreciate what she does. And at the end of the day, people, guys, whether, yes, it's a beautiful thing to serve, but abamcelanga. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's what that's the vibes uMatsele is giving her. Wuti, yes, you serve me, but I didn't ask you to give me this treatment. And I feel like that's the vibes, or that she's going to end up building that resentment to say, Wuti, she goes on out for this man, but this man usemzumbe, but you can't even make one stop for her, guys. Ay, Musa. Giyakujaja. Yes, the night ukuthi you took out the ladies, it looked like a beautiful night. Ay, giyakujaja lapho, giyakujaja. You're one person ozokufela empini, but wena umshiya sticking nje kanjalo. Guys, tell me your thoughts and your analysis on that. Anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.